My name is Manoj Accuses. My first question is, under the name Universal Brotherhood, you are advertising Islam, and on the basis of that, please define your terms when you are saying that Universal Brotherhood. You should, under the name Universal Brotherhood, you should accept brotherhood to all, whether Muslims, that is follower of Islam, and non-Muslims, which you say kafir, who don't. Otherwise, quote the term Muslim Brotherhood, it will be okay.
The brother asked a question that in the name of Universal Brotherhood, I am promoting Islam. Suppose if I have to say that best cloth, I am promoting best cloth in market, and suppose raiment has to be the best cloth. So it's a fact I am promoting raiments. If raiments company is best, anyway, I don't get any cut from raiments. That's an example. I'm not a dealer of raiments. But if I say the best cloth is raiment, and if the talk is which is the best cloth, I have to speak about that. Suppose I'm giving a talk on who is the best doctor in the world, and if I have to take a person named XYZ, and if he's the best doctor, I'm promoting him, yes. So similarly, Universal Brotherhood, I'm telling you that Islam is a religion which speaks about Universal Brotherhood and shows you a way how to achieve it. Regarding a question, that in Universal Brotherhood, can you call Muslim and non-Muslims as brother, or only Muslims as brothers? The Universal Brotherhood of Islam is all human beings are your brothers. I made it very clear in my talk. I'm not mincing with words. I'm very clear. Maybe it may have slipped. You may not have heard it. I started my talk in Surah Hujurat, chapter 49, verse 13. Ya ayyuhan nasu inna khalaqnakum min zakin wa unsa wa ja'alnakum shu'uban wa qaba'ila lita'arafu inna akramakum indallahi atqakum innallaha alimun khabir. That, O humankind, we have created you from a single pair of male and female, and have divided you into nations and tribes, so that you shall recognize each other, not that you shall despise each other. And the most honored in the sight of Allah is the person who has taqwa, who has righteousness, who has piety, who has God consciousness. In the Universal Brotherhood are all human beings. The person who has got piety is one who has taqwa, or righteousness. I have got two brothers. One is a good person. Actually, I've got one brother only, but suppose I have two brothers. One is a medical doctor like this brother and is treating the patient, etc., curing, and the other brother is a drunkard, is a rapist. Both are my brothers. Who is a better brother? A brother who is a doctor and treats the people and doesn't cause harm to the society. The other brother is my brother, but he's not a good brother of mine. Similarly, all human beings are my brothers. But those who are closer to me are those who have taqwa, who has righteousness, who has piety. Anyone who has piety, who has righteousness, who has God consciousness is closer to me. It's very clear. I've said my talk and I repeat it. Hope that answers the question.